So sabihin natin, dito sa nakikita natin na Euro CAD na chart, let's say that it's very clear that we have some sort of a resistance here. Di ba? Sabihin natin, gusto ko mag-sell kapag umabot dyan yung presyo, pero wala akong oras bantayan. So gusto ko automatically magbebenta na ako. And that current price is at 1.5172. Tapos, just in case the price exceeds 1.50, 1.52, 00 na lang, 1.5200, then I want to close my trade already. So, paano ko magagawa yon? Go back to new order, no? Click tayo dyan. Makikita nyo po na meron tayo ditong type of order. Pending order naman yung gagawin natin. If you click pending order, mas maraming tanong lang siya kaysa dun sa una. Dito siya medyo komplikado. Pag kinilik nyo yung types, you actually have several types of pending orders. You have buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. Itong dalawa sa ilalim, kalimutan nyo muna yan. Hindi muna natin gagamitin yan. These four we will use. Okay? So, depende sa dalawang bagay, no? Depending on two things, you'll be able to use one of those types of orders. And yung two things na yon is number one, the current price, and number two, whether you want to take a trade above or below that current price, no? So nasaan yung current price, no? And do you want to trade that above or below? At definitely, gusto mo ba mag-buy or sell? Okay. So, ito yung rules. Isusulat ko muna yung rules para medyo makasunod muna lahat. You can copy it, take a screenshot, or go back to the video that we have. Bibigyan ko muna kayo ng ng kodigo. Dali buo ulit natin yung screen natin. Ayan. If you want to buy below current price, so CP is current price, then ang gagawin natin is buy limit. If you want to buy above current price, then we use buy stop. If you want to sell above current price, then we use sell limit. If you want to sell below current price, then we use sell stop. Okay. So yan po So buy below current price, no? Kung gusto yun ang gusto mong gawin, buy limit tayo. If you want to buy above current price, buy stop. If you want to sell above current price, sell limit. If you want to sell below current price, sell stop. Okay. So given our scenario right now, gusto po natin mag-sell dito sa taas. Okay, we want to sell sa taas. Nasaan yung current price natin? Our current price is here. Diba? Andito yung current price ba? Now, if we want to sell here, ano dapat ang posisyon natin sa market? So definitely we want to sell above the current price. Ano dapat ang trade na gagamitin natin? This is our current price. We want to sell here and that's above the current price. We use sell limit, no? So, kung sell limit yung gagamitin natin, yun yung ilalagay natin sa type. Sell limit. It will ask you again for your volume. So, sabihin natin, gusto ko pa rin 0.1. Anong price ang gusto mong pumasok? So, gusto natin mag-enter at 1.5172. That's our, kumbaga ito yung price dun sa may ilalim niyan. Stop loss natin is at 1.5201. Tapos, gusto mo ba maglagay ng take profit? Sabihin natin, sige for now, ayoko muna. No? So pwede mo hindi ilagay. And then from there, simply click place and it will automatically set a pending order for you na sell limit. So ayun yung sell limit mo. If the market goes up, automatically it will trigger the sell trade kahit nakasaray laptop nyo. If it goes beyond your stop loss, it will automatically close that trade. Pero kung umakyat siya and then it does bounce downwards, then that would be profitable to you. Okay? So yun po yung paggamit ng pending order. Now, if you want to modify them, then same thing, no? Kumbaga, pwede mong igalaw yung stop loss mo manually sa chart. Pwede mo man igalaw yung sell limit mo mismo, no? You can actually move your sell limit and your stop loss and take profit will move accordingly. Or pwede mo puntahan yung trade mo dito sa toolbox. Makikita nyo po, ayan yung pending order mo. EuroCAD, double click on that. You can either delete it. Remember, kapag nagpe-place ka ng pending orders, walang cost yan. So pag dinelete mo, wala ding cost yan. Okay, trailing stop. Balik tayo dito sa Euro-USD trade natin. So we have this Euro-USD trade right now. Meron tayong take profit, meron tayong stop loss. Our stop loss right now is roughly around nasa mga bandang 22 pips yung stop loss natin. Now, pwede tayo ngayon magkaroon ng trailing stop. Ano yung trailing stop na yun? Trailing stop is an automated command that moves your stop loss in favor of your trade. Ibig sabihin, kung nakabuy ka, inaangat niya yung stop loss mo automatically. Kapag nakasell ka, binababa niya yung stop loss mo automatically. Kumbaga sinusundan niya yung trade. It safeguards some of the profits that you have. So, to apply that, right-click ka dito sa trade mo mismo. Ano ba? Ito Euro-USD, di ba? Aware tayo na ang stop loss natin ngayon ay nasa 22 pips. Right-click there and then go to trailing stop. Pagdating mo dito, choose custom. Pagdating mo sa custom, ito nakasulat dyan. Trailing stop is a method to move stop loss level automatically. The minimal trailing stop level for Euro-USD is 40 points or 4 pips. Okay? So sabihin natin, every time the market moves by 10 pips in my favor, ibig sabihin every time kumita ako ng 10 pips, gusto ko ina-adjust yung stop loss ko by 10 pips as well. Ibig sabihin kapag nag-profit na ako ng 10 pips, then yung stop loss ko dati na negative 22 pips will be adjusted to negative 12 pips na lang. Nandun na yung bago kong stop loss. If I earn another 10 pips, no, kumbaga total 20 pips na yung kinikita ko, then my stop loss will also automatically adjust and my new stop loss will only be at negative 2 pips. Kapag umakyat ulit yung trade ko, naging positive 30 pips na siya total, then aangat na naman yung trailing stop ko, no, yung stop loss ko by another 10 pips and I will now have positive 8 pips as my stop loss. And just in case bumaliktad yung market, I am guaranteed 8 pips in the market already. Okay? Yun yung function ng trailing stop. And remember, it will only be triggered once it satisfies the full condition of the trailing stop level. Ibig sabihin, kung sinulat ko dito na 100 points, that simply means 10 pips. It should move a total of 10 pips first before your stop loss is adjusted. Okay? So yun ang trailing stop. If you click OK, then naka-apply na yan. So wala siya masyadong kulay, no? Nag-yellow yan paminsan kapag gumagalaw. Pero yun na siya, applied na siya. All right?